today I'm going to reveal 5 killer ways of getting more leads through gated content. But just before that, if you're looking to grow your business, make sure you subscribe, as we're going to release more videos that will help you instantly get ahead. Gated content is high-value content like ebooks, white papers, videos, or webinars, but only accessible behind a contact form. Your audience gets high-value content and you get hot leads in exchange. It's a win-win. So, let's get straight into our first tip. Number 1, give an incentive. Remember that scene in The Godfather? I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. You'll need to do the same for your customers. Make them an offer so irresistible to the point that they just can't refuse it. Ask yourself, what is the benefit of downloading your content? For example, if you provide travel insurance, you could create gated content on the following. Learn how to instantly save over $250 on your next holiday to Europe. Who doesn't want to save $250 instantly? You get the idea? Let's move on to number 2, segment your audience. Here's what you do. Decide what niche you want to tap into and create content specifically for them. That's what we mean by segmentation. You can repurpose your content to different niches, but make sure it's personal. For example, let's say you're a health business that provides home fitness programs. You could create an audience segment based on age, like under 30s or over 50s. You can also segment them according to their gender or fitness levels. You get the idea. Then, once they're signed up to your content, make sure you've got an email funnel targeted specifically to them. Okay, time for number 3. Create a killer landing page. Everything on your landing page must be around making that prospect hungry for the content. This is not about luck. If your landing page is not attractive and people leave as fast as they came, your viewers won't convert. End of story. So you have no other choice but to nail your landing pages. Your headline needs to grab eyeballs. Tell them what they're going to get. Sell what you're offering as concisely as possible. Everything has to be persuasive, including your call to actions. Make sure the CTA buttons are bold and stand out. Also, and a lot of people get this wrong, keep your form simple. The thing is, marketers love filling up their database with information, but look at the form on the left and the one on the right. One is built for the marketer and the other for the audience. To maximize conversions, make your form as little work as possible and don't make them feel like you're mining information just to sell back to them. That's a real put-off. In fact, some of the most effective email gates are just name and email. That's it. Don't worry, you have plenty of time to collect that information later down the line. Next, number 4, measure analytics. Look, there's loads of metrics you can get lost in, but if there's just 2 that you need to focus on, it's these. Your traffic. How many people have seen your content on your landing page? If it's low, you have to change your ad campaign to drive more traffic. Your conversions. How many of your visitors are signing up? If it's lower than expected, you have to work on making your landing page better to convince them to sign up. And finally, number 5, always follow up. Don't collect data for the sake of it. Make sure the second they enter their details, they're on an automated email funnel, as most people need more than one piece of content to take up your offering. Send them mail shots related to the content they downloaded. Don't be off topic and don't bombard them with useless information. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching and don't hesitate to subscribe, share this video to your friends, uncles, aunties, or even your pet goldfish if you think it can benefit them. And as for me, I'll see you in the next video.